Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check the word count on the Google Docs application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should select the document that you would like to check the word count of. Click on it, then tap on this three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Now scroll down till you find this word count option in the middle of the screen and tap on it. Now as you can see, there are three categories. First, you can see the number of the words that your document contains. Then you can see below the characters, the number of characters that you have typed in, and then the characters excluding the spaces. So here at this section you will get all these information about your document if you are interested in it. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.